the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today, inshallah, we will revise some questions about our scientific English for cerebral, including the first term and second term. Question number A, choose the correct answer. Number 1, we can use letters to space numbers, value, represent, or change. As you know that it's represent. This symbol is read as 100% or whole, it's percent. Number 3, the markup is, as we know that the word up means something that's increasing, so it's a percent of increase. Question number 4, a space has 3 sides that are equal, it's triangle. Question number 5. A constant term is a space, it has a fixed value. Constant that we can't change its number. A coefficient is a which you multiply by a letter. It's a number which you multiply by a letter. Question number 7. A square has 4 space sides. As we know that it has 4 equal sides because it's one kind of polygon. Number 8, the line of symmetry and space have same meaning. It's when we see the line, it's a mirror line. Question number 9. The distance is 60 kilometers and the time is 2 hours. So the average speed is 30 kilometers. Why? Because we divide here the distance, we divide here the distance over the time. Okay? Question number 10. We measure space mass. We use measure space mass. We use what? Grams. We use graph to count things, display data, or show ideas. We use graph to display data. After that, the y-axis is, yes, here the y-axis is vertical and the x-axis is horizontal. As you see, the y-axis and this is x. Y is vertical and x is horizontal. Okay? Here, question number 13. A space has the parts connected on the graph. It's histogram. In Arabic, رسم بيان. Question number 14. A space is the best way to discrete data. It's bar chart. Question number 15. A or an is a mass sentence without an equal sign. Here we have without an equal sign, so it's expression. And if we have with an equal sign, it will be equation. Okay? Here we have another type of questions that fill in the blanks. Now we will choose one of the words to fill this word in the blanks. Question number 1. Space are 2 angles that add up to 180. It's, yes, it's complementary. It's here complementary or supplementary? No, because here we have 180, so it's supplementary. Supplementary angles. What about question number 2? Are two angles that add up to 90? It's complementary. Yes, it's right now. Number 3. Yes. That space is the number you multiply by the variable. Its coefficient. Okay. Now we will go to complete our questions. Yes. Number 4, are letters. They are variable. Third. Number 5, a space is a polyhedron with one base. It's a pyramid. Number 6, a space has 4 sides and angles. It's square. Number 7 is the fixed relationship between two sets of numbers. It's function. Number 8, a space is used to find out about people's opinions. It's survey. It means in Arabic, استبيان. Okay? Number 9 is a chart that shows a relationship between numbers. Yes, we will go now to the words to choose one of them. Yes, it's what? It's a graph. Yes, the last one is the amount of people found within a measured area. Yes, it's population density. It means in Arabic كثافة السكانية. After that, we have another type of questions. We will say if they are true or false. Question number 1. Supplementary angles add up to 90. Yes, here supplementary is 180, not 90, so it's a false. We can use that to represent 8. Yes, it's true. Number 3, B, C, D, and Z are constant. No, they are variable, so it's a false. Number 4, a metric system is a system of measurement based on hundreds. No, it's based on tens. So it's false. The distance allows us to find the varied speed. Yes, it's true. A reduction is when you make the shape smaller. Yes, because reduction and smaller. Number 7, an equation is a math sentence with an equal sign. Is it true? Yes. An expression is a math sentence with an equal sign. No, it's false because it's without, not with it. Not with, it's without. Okay, now we will go to another type of questions. Now we will revise science, okay, science fiction. We have some words, some new vocabulary. Number 8, choose the correct answer. The pyramid of numbers show the space of organisms. Here we have the pyramid of numbers, so it's a number, okay? Yeah. After that, green plants absorb light energy using space in their leaves. Chlorophyll, because green, okay? Number 3, space have lots of hydroxide ions. It's bases. Number 3, space have lots of hydrogen ions, acids, because hydrogen with acid, hydroxide with bases. Number 4, space is when carbon dioxide and water produce glucose and oxygen. It's a photosynthesis, okay? Number 5, when you mix two metals, you get an alloy. Gold, space is gold over another metal by using electricity. It's gold plating. Number 7, space happens when the sun and the moon are 90. At 90 to the earth, it's neap tides. After that, question number 8, the food is mixed and churned in the stomach. Number 9, when the seasons changes, when the seasons change, I'm sorry, not changes, because here plural. When the season change, the weather changes. The rest of questions? That space is a line that goes from the north to the south pole. It's axis, because here line means axis. Number 11. We measure energy in joules. We measure temperature in Celsius. We use space to measure temperature. We use thermometer. Yes. Anything that doesn't move has space energy, has potential energy, but anything that moves, it's kinetic energy. Okay? Number 15. Coating one metal with another is called electroplating. So coat means plate. Number 16. And space is a tool we use to show directions. Compass. Because direction with compass. Okay? Question number 17. A space has little calcium. It's soft water. Space is full of calcium. It's hard water. Question number 2. For in plants, choose one of the words below. Salt, alloy, palisade layer, solar system, proteins, shiny coat, extraction. Question number 1. Bronze is an space of zinc and copper. It's an alloy. Number 2, the space of cells are filled with chloroplast cells, and chloroplast is palisade layer. Okay? Number 3, meat, nuts, and lentils are proteins. Okay? Number 4, space means very bright. It reflects lots of light. It's shiny, because shiny means very bright. Number 5, acid plus base means, yes, gives us salt. Number 6, that is the sun and all the planets that go around it. It's solar system. Okay? Number 7, to space means to cover with something. It's coat. It's what? Coat. Taking out one specific substance from a mixture is called extraction. Go to another question, to other questions, I'm sorry. Here, true or false? There are two kinds of chemicals called bases and acids. Yes, true. Question number 2. A pyramid of biomass shows a number. No, because the pyramid of biomass shows the mass. It's false. Number 3. Radiation needs molecules to heat things. No, it's false because radiation doesn't need molecules to heat things. Number 4. Toxic materials are not poisonous. No, yes, toxic materials are poisonous. Not, yes, here, no need for material. Question number 5. Material that allows it to move quickly through it is called conductor. Yes, it's true. Number 6. The small intestine is the long, thin-winding tube that food goes through. Yes, small, yes, it's true because the small here is thin. Number 7, convection happens only in the liquids and not gases. No, false, because convection happens in the liquids and the gases. Number 8, energy is measured. Is Celsius? No, because it's measured in joules. Okay? Digestion is the breakdown of food in smaller soluble molecules. Yes, it's true. Electrolysis is breaking down substances into smaller parts. Yes, true. The last question we will match now. Veins, yes, carry waste and the carbon dioxide. A microscope, yes, microscope, yes, here. Yes. No. Yes. A symbol here. Yes, it's a sign. Okay. Carbohydrates. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now it's enough. Thank you, my students, and we will complete later. Thank you.